Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the text size in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to search for settings. So at the bottom search bar, simply type settings. Once you have typed it, this best match will appear. Click on open to continue. Okay, so once you're being redirected here at the settings, go for the left side of it. It has this list of options. Here in this tab, you need to look for accessibility, which I can see here next to gaming. Once you have found it, tap it to open. Once you have successfully opened the accessibility tab, you can see here two sections, vision and hearing. Here you need to go with vision, and the very first option of it is text size. Simply click on that to proceed. Once you have clicked it, you are able to successfully open your text size sections. Here online in the text size, you can see here online where you can simply drag the size and adjust the size depending on your preference. So simply check the text size preview and check adjust the size, and once you're satisfied, then click on apply and you just have to wait until the applying of the text size is done. Now, once done, you have just successfully changed the text size of your Windows or computer. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully, this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.